When it comes to everything you expect in a microwave, nothing compares with the defrosting, cooking, and reheating capability of the Panasonic Countertop, built-in Cyclonic Wave Microwave Oven with Inverter Technology and Genius Sensor at every temperature level. Cyclonic Wave circulates heat in precision, ultra-efficient 3D waves for easier, more versatile food preparation, even with denser, more complex food textures. This exceptional 1,250-watt, 2.2 cubic foot capacity stainless steel microwave with 16.5 inches turntable also includes patented inverter technology which, unlike traditional microwaves that rely on pulse-on, pulse-off power at lower temperatures, delivers a constant stream of cooking power at every temperature for more evenly cooked meals, edges to centers, every time, with the touch of the Genius Sensor cooking button. This microwave takes the guesswork out of creating a great meal by automatically setting power levels and adjusting cooking or defrosting time for added time-saving convenience. The sensor measures the amount of steam produced during cooking and signals the microprocessor to calculate the remaining cooking time at the appropriate power level. A selection of 20 auto-cook options enables you to quickly prepare your favorite foods, such as pizza, popcorn, pasta, soup, oatmeal, and other dishes. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cyclonic Wave. Cyclonic Wave circulates heat in precision. Ultra-efficient 3D waves for more versatile preparation of fresh and frozen fish, vegetables, entrees, and more. Number 2. Cyclonic Inverter Technology. 1,250-watt high-power plus cyclonic inverter technologies combined for easy, faster cooking at every temperature level to evenly defrost, cook, and reheat while still maintaining natural nutrients. Number 3. Elegant intuitive controls. Access 20 preset menu options for everyday meals and snacks, a 3-level popcorn button, and the manual controls you need for your own adventurous menus. Number 4. 11 power levels. Poach, braise, steam, and more with 11 precise power settings. Number 5. Turbo Defrost. Thaw foods more quickly and evenly, with no frozen centers or overcooked edges. At the same time, Turbo Defrost also preserves your food's natural flavor, texture, and nutrients. Number 6. Panasonic Countertop Microwave Oven Cyclonic Inverter. This 1,250-watt high-power, 2.2 cubic foot capacity stainless steel countertop, built-in microwave maintains the full flavor and nutrients of your favorite foods with cyclonic wave technology for ultra-efficient cooking at all temperature levels. Number 7. Inverter Technology with Turbo Defrost. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced Inverter Turbo Defrost speeds up defrosting time. Number 8. Large family size. This countertop microwave with a 16.5 inches turntable is thinner, lighter, and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Number 9. Smart Cooking Setting. Built-in automatic sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 20 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start, and child safety lock. Number 10. Food Warming Feature. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies, or desserts warm and fresh until getting ready to serve. Power requirement: 120 volts 60 Hz, 12.7 to 1,480 watt, AC only, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.